G'day, today I'm in Shenzhen and visiting Zoyi. Let's take a look. So cool, it's a multimeter pillow. Can go to bed with the multimeter, or the oscilloscope rather. This one's really heavy. Yeah, that's not lightweight. This is the Zoyi family of multimeters. So many. So behind me I've got all the certifications. It says Zoyi, Z-O-Y-I. Got some trips. Oh, I got stuck. Teamwork. Set the Canton Fair. Oh, there's me. Oh, there's the CCTV. A lot of team building exercises. Cool. It's in Tibet. Okay, check out the engineering.
They are designing some new product.
They're currently working on a new DC power supply. So here's the head unit. You've got the probes. Yeah, pretty cool. This is the packing area, ready for shipment. Oh, it's a LCR version 2. It's the second version.
Is our
It's doing
packaging line, production packaging.
ah, cool. So got the clamp meters. Yep. Got big clamp meters there.
LCR meter.
MD2.
Product we are launching now.
Let's see. Cool. Cool. It's a cool test jig. This is where all the soldering's happening. Oh, we've got the buzzers. That's the buzzer going here. Ah, cool. It's the adapters for the resistance. Or
Yes.
it's on the XR1. And so,
We only
is this for the XR1?
yes.
The Zoyi XR1?
Example.
Ah, cool.
They are welding electrical components.
Yeah, you've got a really good cable this time.
Yes.
I think you've improved the cable connector. heat. The LCD. Another. Cool.
703.
Yep. And the MD2.
Yes, MD2. It's also for testing.
Ah, cool. So you're doing like the calibration. Ooh. Cool. Oh, SMD, yeah. So cool. Wow, so cool. And this, yeah, typhoon coming. Components for the pick and place. And, oh, so that's the pick and place machine. And then it's heating it up here. Yep. So you got optical verification of the components. My favorite room, the calibration room. Oh, so cool.
For capacity.
It's got the 703.
Testing capacity. Resistance, capacity, and impedance.
Ah, cool.
Also testing.
So testing voltage.
It's a testing resistance. 10 ohm, 10k ohm.
So it's in a programming mode.
Yes. 10k ohm.
Oh, is that the insulation tester? The 1000R,
Yes. 1000 R. Yes.
ZT1000R.
1000 R.
Yep, so high voltage.
Yes.
Yep. You got the 14500 batteries. Cool.
Three lithium battery.
Yep.
Lithium.
Ah. So you can measure. Yeah.
701. Oscilloscope and multimeter.
Yep.
It has 10 widers.
That's my favorite.
Yes,
My favorite oscilloscope is this one. It's really easy to use. So I'm using it for the torches to measure the pulse width modulation. So,
It's perfect for the beginner.
yeah, it's really simple. You don't have to do much.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's also resistance. Testing resistance. It's
The
R01.
yep.
It's infrared submarine.
Now we are launching RO2.
Yep. It's a
So
96
we
by
haven't
90.
It has more resolution.
Yep.
It's clear than 01.
So generating heat. Oh. So
It can up to max 500 degree.
you put the ZT-RA1 here for thermal imaging. Put it in front of each one for a different temperature, and check the calibration. Wow, so cool. What do? Oh, my favorite little portable multimeter, because it's
111.
the 111. It's so compact, and it does the current. So you've got the microamps, milliamps. This is where the lithium batteries can be stored for safety reasons. Oh, I wish I had this at home. So that's Zoyi. Cheers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.